We're a laptop family, and we've got two IBM ThinkPad laptops, wireless, roam around the house, use them in the kitchen, use them in the study. Just recently we came back from a trip to Spain and Portugal. On that trip, I think between the three of us, we shot somewhere between 3,000 and 4,000 pictures. My wife's really the organizer, official organizer. So historically, all the pictures go into her laptop. One of the goals was to make those pictures more accessible to everybody. Part of that was using the Windows Home Server as a place to share those pictures. I've had this vision for a long time of being able to go beyond huddling around a laptop and looking at them on the display, but getting those pictures up onto the television. When we got back from the trip, that's when we actually got the Xbox, was at that point. And I installed that, hooked it up to the television, connected it off to the home server, and went through and got into the picture shared folder, and there were all the pictures. I remember just getting it going, and the first pictures are showing up there and starting to flip through. My wife came into the room, then noticed, wow, there, it was like, are those really our pictures, just from the trip? And it's like, yeah, and they were there. So it was kind of that, aha, that's cool, that there they are on the big screen, as it were. And it is dramatic. I mean, it is dramatic to see them in a big format when you've never seen them that way before. I've encoded our music collection, about 150 albums. And so what I wanted, that's another example of something I want to share. So what I was able to do was move those tracks onto the Windows Home Server to share them. Again, the Xbox comes into play there, where I just use those built-in features, connects into the Windows Home Server, being able to just quickly, actually using a remote in the interface, that interface is really a big deal. It's actually surprisingly simple. Home Server for me is really fundamentally about backing up those laptops, backing up those systems that really I haven't had the discipline to do. I know you can buy software and burn CDs and things like that to get backups, and I've done that in the past, but really for me it's an insurance policy, it's a peace of mind to be able to have that, wake up the laptops in the middle of the night and do the backups and not having to worry about that. If something happens to that particular machine, then I know I've got that. And so that's one part of it. And the other part was just having a place that's kind of neutral ground for sharing things. That's a big benefit. I would definitely recommend Windows Home Servers to my friends and family, and I have already.